Hey everybody, welcome to my session. Thank you so much, Mikey, for putting on Data Popcorn. My name is Chrissy LeMaire, and I'm a Microsoft MVP. I also have written a tool, dbatools.io, and now dbatools.ai, that allows you to import the data from PDFs right into SQL Server. And this uses something called structured output from OpenAI. So whenever you get a PDF file as a database architect, we look at this and we're like, all right, we need the dog's name. The breed is totally wrong on this. But ultimately what we want from here, we want these immunization dates, and we take that and if we could, we would extract it, put it right into SQL Server with this database schema that looks something along the lines of this. What I've always liked about SQL Server and T-SQL or SQL in general is that it's so very easy to read. It's very human readable, right? It says create table pet, create table vaccination. It's very straightforward. And what's even cooler is that the way that you work with AI is that it's all over REST API endpoints, and you use JSON. And take a look at this. This is the JSON schema that extracts the data, and you literally use human words like, what is the name of the pet? What is the name of the pet's owner? What is the breed, etc. So you go through and you can see the equivalents here, right? Here's the SQL, date administered, veterinarian, pet breed, and you can see all of that here. By the way that I created this, I literally used ChatGPT itself, and it took a few iterations, sorry, but it totally worked. So we go through here, and let's go to the demo. First, I'm going to import. This is a container, by the way, and you can if you go to dbatools.ai, you go to the repo, you go to code spaces, and you start up a code space, you get 60 hours per month free from GitHub. So this is the environment that I create this in. You have all the tools that I do using this container. So let's go ahead and import, and we see here's the path. For this, I do use Markdown because the OCR takes a bit longer and we just don't have time. So we'll use the Markdown, and then we'll put the path to the JSON that we just saw. We specify the localhost, tempdb, the schema, and the system message. So let's go ahead and execute that. Now it's processing the file. So it's sending over that Markdown file. It's sending over that JSON file. And OpenAI is determining, what is the name of the breed? What is the name of the pet? What are the vaccination dates, etc. So there, it processed it. Here's some output that I created. And let's go ahead and take a look at, we'll go here and we'll see databases, system databases. How cool is this? I've wanted this like my entire SQL Server career. So we'll go and we'll select, look, first of all, it created the tables. And now, I mean, this was from that PDF file, and now it's here. And so, by the way, whenever I connect to OpenAI, I do use MKHT's module called PS OpenAI. He makes it very straightforward to use structured output. And not only that, his documentation is fantastic. Sorry, not that one. It's actually his guides. So I literally went to his guides for structured outputs, and I used it all here so you could see what's happening on the back end. He uses classes. I don't. I went straight down to using the PDF, or sorry, the JSON files. So this is what I'm more comfortable with. But yeah, this is one of the coolest things that has ever happened in my career, and I hope that you like it. I hope that you just go to dbatools.ai. I don't get any money from it. It's purely a teaching tool. Spin up that code space. You have 60 hours that you can explore to your heart's content. So thank you again, Mikey, for putting this on, and I'll see you all soon.